Hey guys, we're back with a reaction today called Avenged Sevenfold. Now, I don't even know who those are. What? You know who they are?
I do, but you've never heard of Avenged Sevenfold?
I've never heard of them. But
do you know the genre?
I don't. I'm thinking it might be
I think you're gonna really like it, but I'm not sure. If
alternative or something, probably.
I think harder than that.
Metal?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we will see. All I know is you guys have put in the comments, do Avenged Sevenfold.
But I think you might even want to put the
multiple people have told me
death in
that.
front of
Oh, death! Oh no! Okay, you just gave it away.
I know.
Okay, let's hear it. It's
I
called
want you to hold on to your seat.
"Hail to the King." I was thinking it's just going to be some alternative or something, and it's going to be death, and I'm going to die. Ready? Go! Oh, dude, that's awesome. Oh, I like it.
What I'm saying?
Whoa! Crank it up! Louder! Okay, I have to pause it. First of all, it doesn't sound as heavy as what I was thinking it was going to be, but it may get there. But what I really like about it so far is I love lead guitar and the rhythm. Right? You know what I'm saying? Because you know when you only have one guitarist, you're limited sometimes. And he's like, I dig that. Okay, enough of that. We'll hear some more. But I just had to say that because I was digging the sound together.
Let's hear some more, because I think it's going to get heavier.
Oh, I can't wait. Ready? Go! That is not death metal. This is a cranking time.
The streets now opens a war. Bodies hanging in the streets to adore. Oil flames will cover pounding chaos, bringing daylight to the night. Death is riding into town with armor. They come to take all your rights. Out of the king.
Dude, it's awesome. Oh, I love this. Dude, you are so wrong.
But no, it's not death metal, but it's heavy.
It's heavy, but it's
true.
He's singing a normal, he's not singing like an orc, right?
No. Who does he sound
like? He sounds like the Metallica guy.
Yeah, right.
Don't you think?
Yeah.
But, okay, so I feel like it's like...
I don't know much about the history of this group, but I want to find out.
I know nothing about
they've been around for...
These guys been around a long time?
I mean, at least 15 years, probably sure.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I first heard of them at least 10 years ago.
Okay, that's why. Okay. They are a 90s band then, probably.
maybe not quite. No, it's 2000s. You know.
Okay.
Before 2000, 2010.
Okay, when I was raising kids.
I mean, I don't know when they got, when they, really came on the scene. And
Gotcha.
in that genre, like anybody would be like, you don't know Avenged Sevenfold, but.
Well, yeah. I got 5-year-olds and I'm running around listening. That's right. I'm listening to Aladdin's song,
But yeah, if they would have came out in the 80s, they would have been your favorite band when you were in high school.
Oh, totally. Because they sound like they're not as heavy as Metallica. They are more of an 80s band. Between an 80s band and Metallica, they're in between.
Well, that's a lot to say off this one song, but...
Well, on this song.
But what I like about the feel, even the first time I heard them, was that they're keeping it simple. It's like pure.
Yes!
It's like this pure rock,
Yes.
Hard beat, driving, like you said, solid rhythm, and then a little, super fast lead. And, again, the vocals are a little more melodic. They're not just screaming into the mic thing.
That's exactly right. That's why I'm digging it right now, I mean, when these guys came out, I was probably singing, Prince Ali, lucky is he, Alia, blah, blah. Right? That's what I was singing.
Yeah, I do every word.
I do every word of Disney movies. Okay, you ready? Go!
Death is riding into town with armor. They come to grant you your rights. Hail to the king. Hail to the one. Kneel to the crown. Stand in the sun. Hail to the king.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah.
There's a taste of fear when the henchmen call. Iron fist to tame the limb. Iron fist to claim it all. Hail to the king. Hail to the one. Kneel to the crown. Stand in the sun. Hail to the king. Hail to the one. Kneel to the crown. Stand in the sun.
Yeah.
Hail to the king.
Rock on.
Rock on. Oh my goodness, dude.
I thoroughly enjoyed that.
I felt some small pieces. You're gonna laugh. I know. I hate saying this. I felt like it sounded kind of like the guitars sounded like Striper a little bit.
Well, you know what? I hear you.
Yeah.
That's what I was going to say. That, okay, I'm known for talking about how I always crave new, fresh things. I appreciate bands that come up with their own sound and their own thing. But there is something to be said for a band who takes something, they're not really, really unique. They just do the same thing but they do it right. They do it good, and they do it better. They do it solid. And that, the whole, guitar lead and the guitar solo, it was like, it wasn't like original, but oh my God, I was just soaking it in. Yeah, right, exactly. I do remember Stryper, when they come, so we were like high school, I guess. Yeah, right, yeah. And I remember
before high school
for their, crazy costumes and hair and everything. Right. But, man, those guys could wail. And that guitar,
yeah, right, and
but it had the sound, a little bit of the sound. That's why I was a little wrong about the genre in this song, anyway. It had the sound of a little bit like an '80s hair band,
It did, right? That's because the voice sounded kind of like a Metallica sounding guy, but some of the guitars kind of sounded like I think did Stryper had a rhythm and a guy playing lead at the same time, and so it really I felt some remnants of that in the middle, but I don't like comparing them.
Right.
I just love I just love the music, and it's fresh and it's new to me, even though it's super old.
Well, and maybe not, even people who remember and know Stryper, not everybody loved them, but they were, like I said, they were true to the art form of heavy metal.
Yes,
that's what it's all about. And I don't know when the song was recorded. I think the video is like 8 years old, but
I don't know.
The song could be much older than that. And honestly, I enjoyed the video because I felt it followed that same like kind of just heavy metal purist thing. It was mostly just guys performing, and then the little scenes were just the typical things that went with the Hail the King, with the medieval theme with the knights.
What's a good rock song name? Hail to the King. Exactly.
Yeah, that surprised me. Actually,
that's cool.
I enjoyed it. I want to listen to it again.
Yeah, that is cool.
The lyrics were fun. Iron fist to tame them.
Yeah, right. Exactly. So, thank you guys for recommending that over and over. I get to things every once in a while, and I finally got to them. Avenged Sevenfold. Hail to the King. Until the next one. Peace.